Let's take a look at finding the variance of a discrete population probability distribution using Google Sheets. And let's first enter our data in. This data is based upon a family having 3 children, and then number of girls they had to have. So out of 3 children, you could have 0 girls, 1 girl, 2 girls, or 3 girls. And let's say this is the percentages that come up. Now, this could be in percent form or probability form, which is in decimal, which would be 0.205, 0.30, 0.107, and 0.341. You see it in different books in different ways. Technically, a probability distribution means these should be in decimal form. Okay, so let's go put in our values. P of x, 0.205, 0.3, 0.107, and 0.341. Now here's our formula. And we got x and we got p of x already. The one thing we're missing is mu. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to find mu. Remember our formula for mu is x times p of x and then add them together. So we need a column for x times p of x. So we'll do equals x, which is an A2, times p of x, which is B2. Can you see the color highlighting it did on those? And then I press enter. Now I'm going to click in my cell C2, put my cursor in the bottom right hand corner until it becomes a black plus. Click and hold out my left mouse button and drag and fill down. And the sigma in front of it means now add that column. So I come here, click my sigma to sum. I could type in C2 colon C5 or click up here with my left mouse button and hold down and drag it, and it'll fill in C2 colon C5. And that's our mean. Well, now that we have our mean, we're ready to do the next part. Do this in pieces. So I'm going to do x minus mu. So my next column over will be x minus mu. That's going to equal to x, which is A2, minus mu, which is in C6. But I'm going to put $C, $6. Reason why is when I fill this down, I want A2 to change to whatever row I'm on. So next one down should say A3, then A4, and A5. But no matter what, my mean is always stored in C6. So I put $signs around it in Excel, or not Excel, Google Sheets for absolute referencing. Press enter. Click here and put my mouse in the bottom right hand corner and click and fill down. Next thing I want to do is I want to square it. So x minus mu squared. So I'm going to do equals. Our x minus mu is in column D, so I'm going to do D2 times D2. Very easiest way to square something is just take it times itself. Then press enter. I'll click here and I'll fill down. Then I need to multiply times p of x. So I'm going to have x minus mu squared times p of x. So x minus mu squared is in column E, so I got E2 times p of x. P of x is in B2. Then press enter. And fill that down. Okay, so that's all that. Then the sigma in front means add that column together. So click down below it, click the sum, click and hold down and drag to fill in the F2 colon F5, and then press enter. And that right there is our variance using Google Sheets.